Hold it, down 5 meters. We're good here, secure the clamps.
Robot arm, hold position at grid marker Gamma 12.
Confirmed. Securing the starboard plate now, level 7.
Already done, moving to the main conduit now.
Check the stabilization mounts on level 4.
Copy that, running diagnostics now.
Initiating locking sequence on clamps 1 through 4.
Solid green, assigned across the board, connection.
Sector Gamma, report status. We have movement on the underside.
What if humans tried to build a circular spacecraft, not in space, but inside a factory? This is a conceptual experiment, exploring how such a machine might come to life.
All right, keep it steady on the left. Copy that, watching the clearance.
Indicators are stable. Proceed with the lanthanum infusion.
Infusion started. Monitoring the reaction.
We need to verify the structural consistency right here.
We're aligned. Set the lock. Confirmed. It's secure.
A little to the left. Steady now, easy does it. All right, set it down.
We're clear on this side. Slow adjustments.
Acknowledged. Set it down gently. Alignment confirmed.
We need to reroute the primary conduit before they install the next engine segment.
The alignment on sector Gamma is reading unstable.
I see it. Rerouting the primary conduit now. Easy. Hold it right there. Clear on the left. Set it down slow.
Warning, plasma conduits engaging in T-minus 60 seconds. Clear the area.
Final checks on the stair module are complete. It's ready for assembly integration.
This entire pallet is out of tolerance. I've logged the details.
All right, I'll make sure these are tagged for scrap immediately.
Temperature is stable. We have 15 minutes remaining on this batch. Okay, let's prep the quenching area. The finish looks excellent.
Clear the zone. Lift sequence initiated.
Roger that. Zone clear. Lower gently. Watch the clearance on the coupling.
Confirmed alignment. Ready for securing.
All right, initiating weld sequence now. Hold it. Down 5 meters. We're good here. Secure the clamps.
The measurement reads 4.025. Laser alignment confirms the tolerance. We are good to proceed.
We need it slightly lower on this side. Adjust the tension.
Okay, holding steady. The M20s are ready when you are.
Experimental propulsion systems are developed step by step. Engineers focus on generating controlled force, managing heat, and testing stability long before any real movement is attempted.
Ensure the trajectory aligns with Sector Gamma protocols.
Reading confirmed. Alignment is perfect. Proceeding to the main hall.
Clearance is confirmed on the left side. Approaching checkpoint 3 now.
Roger that. All systems green.
We are aligned on the starboard clamps. Proceed with final descent.
Copy that. Descent sequence engaged. Confirming green on docking clamps.
Check the alignment on the next bracket.
It's exactly on the laser line. Secure it now.
The brackets on the ventral side look secure.
Yes, the alignment is perfect. We can move to plating.
What about the conduits up here?
Inside the assembly plant, multiple zones operate in unison, a symphony of human ingenuity and robotic precision crafting the future of space travel.
Alignment looks good on my end.
Securing clamps. Torquing sequence initiated.
Secure the left side first. All right, moving to the next bracket now.
Alignment confirmed on port 3. Proceeding with final descent.
Copy that. Descent looks good.
How did the alignment look on your end?
It's flush with the curve. Go ahead and secure it.
Crane 3, hold position at Sector Gamma.
Roger that. Holding.
We are clear for bracing on level 7.
Watch your step on the left. Okay, I see it.
Scan complete on section Gamma.
Confirming readings on the tablet now. The connection looks stable.
Check the tension on that lower rib.
Looks stable from here, but the connection needs reinforcement.
We're seeing some deflection on the outer ring. We need that panel aligned now.
Clear on the inside. Proceed with the weld sequence.
According to the tablet, this joint needs realignment.
I see it. The sensor reading is slightly off baseline.
All right, everyone, back to work.
Starting primary welds now.
Robot arm, hold position at grid marker Gamma 12.
Confirmed. Securing the starboard plate now.
We need more power on that alignment clamp.
Hold it steady. I'm engaging the hydraulics.
Inspection Team Alpha, report status on hull plating Epsilon 7.
Epsilon 7 is nominal. Minor polishing required.
Vibration dampeners holding steady at 90%.
Exterior team, run final diagnostic sweep. We are showing green on the interior team. After that, can you
Make that a sweep.
All right, keep it steady right there. Engaging clamp. Next section ready.
Align the left side.
Okay, pushing it in now.
Watch the clearance on the conduit.
The stabilization matrix is showing a slight fluctuation.
Rerouting power now.
Confirmed green across the board.
Easy on the lift, watch the curve. Okay, it's seated. Hand me the torque wrench.
Make sure the rack is fully secured before power up.
We've completed the labeling on Sector 4.
Looks good. Let's move to the next bay.
Align that strip precisely with the seam. We're testing the main circuit now.
Clear. The contours.
Look, check the auxiliary coupling on level 7.
Already done. Moving to the main conduit now.
The interior design is inspired by classic science fiction films, using circular layouts and symmetry to create a familiar yet functional spacecraft environment.
Did you get a reading on this seam here?
Tapping confirms stability. Seems secure.
Initiating locking sequence on clamps 1 through 4.
Solid green. Green across the board. Connection secured.
The hull plating is completely seamless. Not a single aberration on the port side.
Confirmed. The energy readings are stable across the board.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more conceptual documentaries like this.
Platform 4, synchronized trajectory holding steady.
Acknowledged. Maintaining course. We are clear of the hangar.